Hi, it's Mike, and today we're going to have a quick look at Video Editor. So most Windows PCs come with Video Editor already installed. If you don't have it, then you can get it from the Microsoft Store. So this is the main page. So to create a new video, click New Project, and this is your storyboard. So just name it. There we go. So first you need to import some videos or images here, and these are going to be your the main bulk of your video. I'm just going to select all of them. Now this is your storyboard at the bottom. This is where you need to drag them, so you put them in order of how you want them to appear. So I'm just going to select them all and drag them on. Now you'll see they have options for each one, so you can set the duration. It's all in seconds, so if you want one to stay on for an hour, it's 3,600 seconds. If you need some help working out how long your video is going to be, just use Google to convert these seconds for you. So I'm just going to change all of them to 1 second. You've got options, so up here you can add custom audio or background music if you want their pre-done list. If you want custom audio, click that, click add audio, or you can drag it in from your computer. I'll just move myself out of the way. Open that. That drags the audio, and you use this bar here to state how long you want the audio to run for. So if you want it to run throughout the whole video, make sure that is all the way across. You can use this to listen, so you'll know where the audio is on the video, or if you want the video to start and then the audio to kick in here, you drag it to there. When you're happy with that, click done. There's effects over here, so you can add effects. All you do is just drag and drop. Again, move the bar so you can have the effects running throughout the video. The effects come with some sound effects, so if you don't want those, turn them down. The effect will still play. With the effects, you need to add one to each slide that you do. And then when you're happy with it, oh yeah, there's filters as well if you want to change the filters. Don't really do much with a black and white image. You can have the title card. Oops, not too many then. Add the text. Just select your font or style. That's done, and you can preview your video. When you're happy with it, click Finish Video, Export, and that will save it to your usually to your pictures file there, and then you can use it as needed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and click that subscribe button.